Welcome. Today, we will compare two new Samsung phones, the Galaxy A05 and the Galaxy A05S. Both phones were released in October 2023. They look similar, but have some differences that might help you choose the right one. We will talk about their screens, cameras, battery life, and more. By the end, you will know what makes each phone special. If you want to check the latest prices, look at the Amazon links in the description below. Let's get started and find out which phone is best for you. The Samsung Galaxy A05 and Galaxy A05S are very similar in body design, both featuring a glass front with plastic back and frame. In terms of size, the Galaxy A05 is slightly taller and wider, measuring 168.8 by 78.2 by 8.8 millimeters, while the A05S is a bit smaller at 168 by 77.8 by 8.8 millimeters. Both phones have the same thickness of 8.8 millimeters. When it comes to weight, the Galaxy A05 is just a little heavier at 195 grams compared to the A05S's 194 grams. Overall, both phones feel quite similar in hand, with only minor differences in size and weight. The Samsung Galaxy A05 and Galaxy A05S both feature 6.7-inch PLS LCD displays with similar screen sizes and nearly identical screen-to-body ratios, around 82%. However, the Galaxy A05S offers a significant upgrade in resolution, boasting a full HD+ 1080x2400 pixel display compared to the Galaxy A05's HD+ 720x1600 pixels. This results in a much sharper image with approximately 393 pixels per inch (ppi) on the A05S versus 262 ppi on the A05, providing clearer text and more detailed visuals. Additionally, the Galaxy A05S supports a 90 Hz refresh rate, which allows for smoother scrolling and animations, enhancing the overall user experience. In contrast, the Galaxy A05 has a standard refresh rate, making the A05S the better choice for those prioritizing display quality and fluidity. The Samsung Galaxy A05 and Galaxy A05S both run on Android 13, but differ significantly in their chipsets and performance capabilities. The Galaxy A05 is powered by the MediaTek Helio G85, built on a 12nm process, featuring an octa-core CPU with 2 Cortex A75 cores at 2.0 GHz and 6 Cortex A55 cores at 1.8 GHz, paired with a Mali G52 MC2 GPU. In contrast, the Galaxy A05S uses the Qualcomm Snapdragon 680, fabricated on a more efficient 6nm process. Its octa-core CPU includes 4 Cryo 265 Gold cores at 2.4 GHz and 4 Cryo 265 Silver cores at 1.9 GHz, alongside the Adreno 610 GPU. Overall, the A05S offers a more power-efficient and higher-performing platform, delivering better CPU and GPU performance compared to the A05. The Samsung Galaxy A05 and Galaxy A05S both support microSD memory cards, allowing for expandable storage. The Galaxy A05 offers a wider range of internal storage and RAM configurations, including 32GB with 3GB RAM, 64GB with 4GB RAM, and 128GB variants with 4GB or 6GB RAM. In contrast, the Galaxy A05S starts at 64GB with 4GB RAM and goes up to 128GB with 6GB RAM, omitting the 32GB option found in the A05. Both models use eMMC 5.1 for internal storage, which is standard for budget smartphones. Additionally, the A05S features a dedicated microSD slot, ensuring that users can simultaneously use 2 SIM cards and a memory card without compromise, which may enhance convenience compared to the A05's shared slot. The Samsung Galaxy A05 and Galaxy A05S both feature a 50-megapixel main wide camera with an f1.8 aperture, 1/2.8-inch sensor size, 0.64 micrometapixel size, and autofocus, ensuring similar primary photo quality. However, the A05 has a dual camera setup, including a 2-megapixel depth sensor, which aids in portrait shots by enhancing background blur. In contrast, the A05S offers a triple camera system, adding a 2-megapixel macro lens alongside the 2-megapixel depth sensor. This extra macro lens allows for close-up photography, providing more versatility. Both models include an LED flash and support 1080p video recording at 30 or 60 frames per second. Overall, the A05S provides a slight edge in camera functionality with its additional macro sensor, while the A05 focuses more on basic depth effects. The Samsung Galaxy A05 and Galaxy A05S both feature single wide-angle selfie cameras with an aperture of f2.0, but they differ significantly in resolution and video capabilities. The Galaxy A05 is equipped with an 8MP front camera, which uses a 1/4 sensor size and 1.12 micrometer pixel size, suitable for basic selfie needs. In contrast, the Galaxy A05S offers a higher resolution 13MP front camera with a larger 1/3.x sensor, maintaining the same pixel size of 1.12 micrometers, resulting in sharper and more detailed selfies. Additionally, the A05S supports video recording at 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, whereas the A05's video capabilities are not explicitly detailed, suggesting more limited or basic video functionality. Overall, the Galaxy A05S provides a superior selfie camera experience with better photo quality and enhanced video recording. Both the Samsung Galaxy A05 and the Galaxy A05S feature identical battery specifications, each equipped with a 5000 mAh LiPo battery, which ensures long-lasting usage suitable for daily tasks and moderate to heavy smartphone use. In terms of charging, both models support 25 watts wired fast charging, allowing users to quickly recharge their devices and minimize downtime. This commonality means that neither phone holds an advantage over the other regarding battery capacity or charging speed. Users can expect similar battery performance and charging convenience from both smartphones, making either choice reliable for those prioritizing battery life and efficient charging in this segment. Overall, the battery features of the Galaxy A05 and Galaxy A05S are effectively the same. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy A05 offers a solid basic smartphone experience with good battery life and a clean design. On the other hand, the Galaxy A05S provides a slightly better camera setup and a bit more performance power, making it a good choice for those who want a little extra. Both phones are budget-friendly and reliable for everyday use. Ultimately, the best choice depends on what features matter most to you. For the latest prices and more details, check out the Amazon links in the description below. Choose the phone that fits your needs best.